Well, for us ladies, you know, one of our main cosmetic concerns, I bet it's cellulite. I know it is for me. It affects nearly 90% of women. You know what? And I guess most of you've tried everything from lotions to potions to creams, massage, rollers, but nothing gets rid of it, does it? Well, until now. I want you to meet Dr. Anna Mikartichian. She is actually known as Dr. MK from North Valley Plastic Surgery, and she's really here to tell us about it. It's a brand new FDA cleared treatment that works.
Absolutely. Yeah, so it's interesting because this treatment, before, you know, we didn't really have anything that really eliminated the cellulite, where now it's up to 3 years.
Wow.
And, you know, it may actually progress further. It's FDA approved to eliminate cellulite.
Okay, so we're looking at an animation right now that kind of gives us an idea of what is happening to the cellulite.
So what's happening to the cellulite is we're going in when we're actually cutting the bands. Like, so when you look at a mattress, you have normal ridges. And what we're going in is we're cutting the bands or the coils in a mattress to make sure that everything is smooth and flat.
So, because that's really what cellulite, that's what those the dimpling is from. And does there certain parts of the body that this type of treatment works best on? And we're looking at the bum right now, but yeah. I mean, we can get cellulite, you know, on our thighs. Some people even get them on their arms.
Exactly. I mean, all women, everyone is individualized, and we get different areas that are affected a little bit more than others. And so the biggest thing though is to make sure that when you're going in and you're seeing a licensed practitioner, to make sure that it's not just loose skin, because we've had it before where we've treated patients that came in from elsewhere and they actually were treated for loose skin and not actual cellulite. And so you need to make sure that it's really cellulite.
Okay, that's a really good question to ask, and in particular, this treatment is called Cellfina, so that's what you really want to ask for. So, a lot of times with cellulite, it takes multiple treatments depending on, you know, what you're trying. Is this the same process?
No, this is just one treatment, and so far, the FDA approval came in 2016. Okay, we actually did clinical studies in 2015 to help with the FDA approval. And so now we've seen that it's up to 3 years that it lasts, but it can actually be further depending on time because we're just, you know, this is a newer procedure, but as time goes on, it may be longer that it completely eliminates it. So
wow, but this is what you know so far.
Yes, that's what we know so far.
Okay, I want to take a look at some before and afters and give people an idea. So it's one treatment, and this is an in-office procedure, right?
Yep.
So it's a needle. Is there any numbing involved? Does it hurt?
Absolutely, we numb.
Okay.
The comfort is like going to the dentist, for example, and we'll numb, and then we'll do the treatment, and then afterward, you'll wear a compression garment for a couple of days. It's over a weekend that you know you're going to be healing, but most people, they're doing really well just even after the weekend.
So it's so the downtime really is just the fact that you have to wear a compression garment.
And even that, you're only wearing it for about 4 or 5 days.
Really, that's it. And so then when you remove the garment, is the cellulite gone at that point?
You'll start seeing results as soon as about 3 days, but as time progresses, you'll see that it looks even better.
Wow.
And then, you know, even like we said, up to 3 years later, women are still saying, I don't see it. Those spots that we treated, they don't have it.
Does diet and exercise play a role in keeping it off? I would think that it does. I mean, a healthy lifestyle is important for so many reasons.
Absolutely, exactly right. I mean, it's not just one thing that you want to focus on. You want to focus on all aspects of the body and all aspects of health. And, you know, we really like to make sure that we treat our patients and we help our patients to be the best that they can be.
Yeah, and we're going to learn a lot more about that actually later because we're going to be talking about all of the services that you provide, and I know that you in particular really focus on carrying your patients through whatever process or whatever treatment you're doing.
Absolutely.
All right, Dr. MK, thank you very much. It's called Cellfina, and I want to tell you about a special offer that they brought to you for today, this special show. You call today, and they're going to give you $500 off the Cellfina treatment, and they have their own licensed providers right there. North Valley Plastic Surgery. This is the phone number to call, 480-991-6877, and learn more about all the procedures they offer at nvpsaz.com.